Other nerd, sweetie, what?
That's not other nerds. And you better not be recording.
Story all about how my life got flipped turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the first of a town.
Hit you. Got connecting to my phone, and you're just like, yeah. And it sent me a picture of Tweety that I really don't care about.
How my life got flipped turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the
So
first of a
hate you
town
right
called
now.
nowhere.
You gotta hit me even more.
I so hate you. Made me fall when you were chasing me. Now my legs are bleeding.
I just played
It's
Tiny
Philadelphia,
Checkers.
born and raised on the
I'll play
playground.
for you later.
Most of my days, chilling out.
No, I already played. It was boring.
I don't care. Stop it.
Pokemon.
Pokemon.
That's because it said Pokemon in the beginning.
That's my niece Skylar's favorite song.
That was my dude, Barney.
You know me.
Stop right there.
Let's get together and kill Barney.
Hey Arnold, I remember that show.
That was my show.
Oh yeah, football head. Like Stewie. No, that's the future Stewie.
I was watching.
Now I'm
You know
illegally
Family Guy? I
good.
thought Family Guy came on every night.
But Family
Not
Guy.
anymore. No, I was just watching it yesterday, and I'm waiting for. It's like 11 o'clock. I'm waiting for Family Guy to come on. There's all these other shows I used to watch. It said Family Guy on like Sunday through Thursday or whatever.
Wait, what
I have one. My friend got one that says, I have a friend. My friend's calling me right now. I have a friend. It was Josh's.
there's more.
I hate that one. Yeah.
It was one of an Indian dude talking really fast. Did you send me something? Oh my god! He's such a jock. Leave me alone. You a mommy?
No, I sent that to my mommy. Never deleted it yet. Yeah.
My friend got that one.
Commercial. The U.S. Army.
Yeah.
I got nothing.
Princess Holly.
Yes, that was the one. That's the one Josh got. YouTube. Another YouTube. Whoa! Hold on, that's my song. I thought we was friends again. Said who? Hey AJ, wanna beat somebody up?
I already gotta beat somebody up on August 20th when I get back to school. Okay, wait.
I'll just
7th
get
grade
Josh
hallway.
and Corey to beat him up.
Who?
Timmy.
Can't wait till 7th grade hallway.
No, I
I had to sing this song for my awards by myself. Halo.
We're playing Left Hand.
You're mad because I ain't call you back? Right, you just ghosted.
Who is that?
Take a ride and you just ghosted.
Lady Gaga, Love Game.
I'm trying to get to Alyssa. Who's that?
Lady Gaga, love game.
Who is it? Oh, wait, hold on a minute. Oh, shit.
What?
My fault.
Oh shit. Have you ever heard this song before?
Yes, hold on. Wait, I know this song. Hold on. I swear to God, I know this. I need to call somebody real quick. Never mind. But there was another one. I don't think I know this one.
Goodbye.
Oh, shit.
Who's close? I recognize the retarded song.
I was watching Barney yesterday. Don't ask why.
Barney
I was just
sucks!
watching.
Okay, everybody
Barney
excuse
does
me
not
for a minute.
suck. Oh.
Scooby-Doo! Crap, what was it? Something with street in it. Sesame Street. Elmo's World. La 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 la. Elmo's World. Oh, Alyssa, remember that Family Guy when Quagmire raped Mrs. Hyde? Then Quagmire shot everybody.
No, Homer did, and then Homer shot himself. Then Bart.
How do
then
you know?
Lisa, because what you know about me? What you know about me? What you know?
That ain't true, sorry.
I made a dance to that. I forgot it though.
You got more somewhere else.
Wanna go see if Mr. Simmons is there yet? Dude, I got you. I will be back unless she wants to come with me.
Where are you going?
Mr. Simmons.
I don't think they're busy right now. I think they left with a whole bunch of cars that come off the driveway.
Oh, wait. You left. We went to a wedding.
Told ya.
Yeah, he told me this morning.
Dang.
I can't believe I forgot.
No! 5 second roll.
Take him off the ground.